Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be learning how to use this wonderful device. Now, if you have not bought this device, then I advise you watch this video first before you purchase your own device. Now let's unwrap it and see what we have here. Okay, so this is a hole puncher and a grommet plier as well, or an eyelet plier, whatever you call it. And then this are the eyelets. It is used for installing eyelets. What we have in vogue in fashion these days, or what is trending, is you see a lot of corset dresses, and not just the corset dresses, but again you see some other types of dresses that come with this sort of thing installed in them with a lace. Now we're going to learn how to install this, but before we go further, let's look at this device. Like I said earlier, it is a hole puncher and a plier, an eyelet plier. So let me do this. This part here is the hole puncher. You feed in your fabric here, you make the punch, and then you bring it here to insert your eyelets. The reason why I said it is important to watch this video before you purchase yours is so you would buy a 2-in-1 device. Some just come as pliers and that's it. You have to create the hole yourself, or you buy the hole puncher. Entirely different. With this is 2-in-1. It has the hole puncher here, and then you have the eyelets or the grommet plier as well. So it's 2-in-1. Now, without so much ado, let's go ahead and start. Now, before we start making the holes, I want you to notice something, that there are cases or there are instances where your hole puncher might not be able to create a hole in your fabric. Now, this largely depends on the texture and the type of fabric you're working with. In cases as this, I'll tell you what to do and how to create your punch. This fabric is quite soft, and it's soft and it's not cotton. This is an Ankara fabric and it's 100% cotton. Please like this video if you enjoy it, share with your friends, and subscribe as well. Thank you. So now we'll go ahead and start by making the hole. To create the hole, you prepare your fabric. In most cases, we either use gum stay, paper gum, and put it together with the fabric. Like when you have fabric that cannot punch or they are too light, you add a paper stay or a gum stay to it to make it stiff. Now let's go ahead and give it a try. You feed it in like so into the hole puncher like so, and then using the plier you press very well. Now ordinarily there should be a hole at this place here. It should be a hole that would have been created, but due to the nature of the fabric, the hole puncher couldn't make a hole here. I'll tell you what to do in instances as this. In instances where you're unable to make the hole, all you need to do is, using your scissors, you mark the area, you identify the area you would want to make the hole. Assuming it's this place, you mark it, and then using a small scissors like this, carefully, so you don't make a hole too big. Careful. so you don't go back to your vendor and start shouting, the hole puncher you gave me is not working, you cheated me, I told you to give me something good, but no, you gave me something bad, something that doesn't work. It's not the fault of the vendor, it's the fabric you're working with. Gently and carefully, you make a hole, and then you proceed to work with it. When you're done, you insert your puncher at the bottom like this, and it should come out like so. Now, using the plier, I want us to notice something. This is the upper part of our plier. This part here is the upper part of the plier, and this is the lower part of the plier. And using the plier, you bring this part, you place it here at the bottom like so, and then you press. Okay. When you're done, you should have something like this. This is this for this fabric. Now, so something like this, I told you it's Ankara fabric, it's 100% cotton. All you need to do is you bring it in here to the hole puncher. There you have it. A hole has been created for you. Use your scissors to cut off the fabric fits off. There's a hole, and that's it. Now, on the right side of your clothes, assuming this is the right side of our clothes, we turn it over, and then we'll put this part of the eyelet here like this, and turn it over like so. Remember, this is the bottom, this is the top. Now at the bottom here, this part is what we'll put at the bottom here. So we'll go ahead and fit it in like this. And when it's properly fitted, you press. And here you go. This is the right side, and this is the wrong side. And this is how you use a hole puncher and an eyelet plier. Remember, if your fabric can't make the hole, you just go ahead and use the scissors. So the hole makes everything better. It makes your work look neat, and it gives you the precise size that is needed for your eyelets, because as you can see, it came with the eyelets. So this hole here gives you the exact size of the hole that is needed for the eyelets. If you enjoyed this video, share with your friends, like, subscribe. Thanks for coming. See you another time. Bye.